Hi, I'm Norma Buchholz, the executive chef at Brooks Winery. Today we're going to be going over the final Beyond Brooks of season 2, and we are partnered up with Felton Mary's. This bundle comes with 3 of their barbecue sauces and then some of their spice rub. It also comes with 2 Brooks wines, our 18 Rastaban Pinot Noir and our 18 La Chenaie Riesling. So I'm going to show you guys how to make some chicken wings that you can enjoy at home during the webinar. So I'm going to take some of the chicken wings we have here and just put some of that dry rub on here. And we're just going to really coat those really well. Once that is completely coated, you just want to take your chicken wings, put them down on a wired rack. So now that the chicken wings have been cooked, we're going to take just a little bit of the sauce. We're just going to put a little bit on the top of here. Throw a little bit of sauce into here. And then we're going to toss. So we're going to end up putting them right back up on the rack. And we're just going to cook them additionally for another 7 minutes. And then coat them with a little bit more sauce once they come out. So now I have all the rest of the chicken wings with that really wonderful spice rub. I'm just gonna add a little bit of a mixture, equal parts of cornstarch to all-purpose flour. I'm just going to put them in 325-degree canola oil, 9 to 11 minutes, and they will be nice golden brown and cooked all the way through. So these are the ones that were in the fryer, and you can see how crispy and flaky it is. Just gonna throw this, and then we just want to lightly just toss these around. We're gonna start with the smoky brown sugar. Try this one with the Rastaban. Goes really nicely. Next, I'm gonna try the medium. That one has a little bit of a kick to it. It's perfect amount. Try that one with our 18 La Chenaie Riesling. It's perfect. If this is a little too spicy for you, the Riesling immediately just cools it down. All right. The hot one. Oh yeah, now it's kicking in. Yeah. Woo! That one's very good. Significantly spicier. It's inappropriate to drink from the bottle. So try the Riesling with that. I've come up with a few accompaniments that you might try with your wings if they're too hot. The first one being fresh cut pineapple. Here I just have a little bit of honey that is mixed with some fresh squeezed lemon juice. A little dip of that with the chicken will help cut down on a little bit of the spiciness. Very good. And the last thing, straight lime. It always works. If any of these are too spicy for you, and you don't have any of this at home, we also just want to recommend that you just mix the sauces a little bit together. So to take some of the spicy, mix some of the brown sugar barbecue sauce in there. So good. Yeah. Oh, that made it in. All right, everybody, that's it. We made all the wings. Cheers. I'm gonna drink this whole thing. Yeah.